Hey, what's up guys, TS Musti right here, and today we're going to be learning two different methods on how to add the dot tone effect onto any photograph using Photoshop. So let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, so first things first, we want to create a new Photoshop document, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to set my Photoshop document with width as 1080 pixels and my height as 1320 pixels. My resolution set at 300 pixels per inch and my color mode set as RGB. Alright, so let's create. Alright, so we have our blank Photoshop document right here, and the first thing we want to do to apply the dot tone effect is we want to import our photograph or image. Alright, and we simply do that by going into File and clicking on Place Embedded. Alright, so you head over to wherever your photograph is located or wherever you saved it. For me, this is where I saved mine, so I'm just going to double click on it, and alright, boom, we have the image. So I'm just going to scale it a bit to fit in, and done. Yeah, so we have our image, and like I said, alright, so this is very easy to do. The next step is just to head over to the right hand side over here, and you want to add a new adjustment layer, and we're going to be adding a gradient map. Yeah, so it looks weird and boring and all, so what we want to do is we want to double click on this color, this gradient scheme. We double click on it, and yeah, we have something like this. Okay, so the color on the left hand side is for your shadows, and the color on the right hand side is for your highlights. So you want to edit both of them. Okay, so for this I'm going to be using 580,690. When you're done, you click on OK, and for my highlights I'm going to be using 86F8D2. Alright, boom. So that's just it. That's all. Very easy, very simple, no stress at all. Let me try another color. So I just double click on this, double click, and let me try a different color. 24206A. Seven 3 D970. Alright, so amazing. Yeah, if you feel the shadow is more than the highlight, or the highlight is more than the shadow, all you need to do is just grab this slider over here, and you want to just adjust. You just want to adjust it, and you just, yeah, so you just adjust it to your taste, but I feel 50% is okay. And yeah, that's it. Alright, so using the second method, we want to I want to create a new document, and for this document I'm going to set my width as 1080 pixels and my height as 740 pixels, resolution set at 300 color mode RGB and create. Alright, great. So we're also going to take steps just as we did in the first method. So we're going to import our photograph. Go to file, place embedded. Alright, so you want to navigate to wherever your image is. So here's mine, so I'm just going to double click on it. Alright, so here's our image, so I'm just going to scale it to fit. Yeah, and done. Okay, so we have our image. So what we want to do next is we want to head over to our color channels. Okay, on the right hand side next to layers, here is my color channels, but in case you can't see this, what you want to do is you want to head over to Windows right here and make sure channels is checked on. And yeah, so you want to pick a suitable channel that is kind of like that suits your taste, that makes that it just looks okay. I feel this blue channel is great for me. It looks awesome, so I'm going to click on it. Alright, so after I click on it, what you want to do next is you want to head down over to the load channel selection button. You want to load it as a selection, so you just click on this button and you see that it loaded up the channel selection. So what you want to do next is you want to head back to your layers and create a new adjustment layer. And this time around, instead of gradient map, we're going to create a new solid color. Alright, so basically this solid color is our highlight. Okay, so for this I'm going to set FFDEB0 and okay. Alright, so our highlights has been marked with this color. So what we want to do next for our shadows is we want to click on the image right here, then go back to our adjustment layers and create a new solid color. Okay, so for the shadows you don't need to mask anything out because it's directly over the picture. So what you just want to do is you want to put in your shadow color. For my shadow I'm going to be using 181F53. Alright, so you click OK and yeah, that's it. Alright guys, and that's it. We have come to the very end of this video. If you enjoyed it, kindly subscribe, like and share. I'll be giving away a PSD file containing 10 free Duotone effects presets. Yeah, I'll be dropping that in the description box so you could pick that up. And I would also love to see what you guys make out of this video, so please kindly tag me on Instagram at ts.mosty. And also, in case you have any question relating to this video, please drop in the comment box. I'll be answering all questions. Alright, and that's it for today. I remain TS Mosty. I will see you guys in the very next one. Stay safe.